Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this tutorial, I will show you everything step by step with real demonstrations how to downgrade iOS. Either it is a signed or unsigned iOS without losing any data on any iPhones. Sometimes it's very essential for us when we would like to bypass with the help of jailbreak method any iOS. Then is it's needed to downgrade. So here we will see step by step either it is unsigned or signed, both especially how exactly we will execute the procedure to downgrade without losing any data. So first and foremost, we will tap on a setting to, of course, we will come to general to, we will tap on a software update, and this is a yes manually with especially. Now see, this is here. It's asking us to upgrade. We don't have any opportunity to downgrade it. So manually, this can be possible. Yes, this can be possible. Just we will go for an agile administration. That is a 3U tool. And here, connect your data cable. And upon, of course, after connecting a data cable, we will tap on a smart flash. A smart flash 2, we will click on a firmware. And in a firmware, we can see here lot of especially these all are green sign are signed versions and these all are unsigned. So which one we would like to pick up? Should we planning to the jailbreak? So we will tap on a jailbreak option, and this is the latest 16.5 iOS that if we install this iOS, then this would be a jailbreak in this device. So we will start to download here. But on the other hand, if you would like to go with the Shine version, we will click on a flash options here. These all are Shine versions. So right now, it is a 26 point, especially 4. Currently, it's working, this one and both one. If you would like to upgrade, then we can go with it, both. But right now, we would like to a jailbreak of this device, so we will come with especially iOS that's 16.5. So now we will tap on a jailbreak option, and here we will start to a download. So see here guys, it has started to a download. Now up see unsigned version, this it will reject this especially when we will start to installs. This can be possible, so just we will click on a especially here. See software, especially this one, stop iOS update, and we will tap to here. So now that we can see here successfully came here. Yes, we will click on here to here. Now smart flash options to easy flash, and here we have a manual option after downloading, so it's taking a time. But suppose unsigned version, how do you especially we will select here retain user data, so data would be a retain. We will click on a imports options, and we have kept on a especially one unsigned version, that is a 16.7 points especially 9. Now see, it has without any verification it has been imported. Now what we will do here, simply we will select these ones especially via here this green dot, and we will hit this one. So now see here, it's a very clear that from especially 26.42 here 16.7.9 especially would be. If you would like to back up, this can be, otherwise directly we hit, then so this will be installed. But I'm not going with this, especially right now we will come with this, and this is a new version, so it's taking a little bit times to especially complete download and upon the further. So this is a unsigned version procedure. And on the other hand, if you would like to go with the signed versions, then directly click on a especially the smart flash. In a smart flash here, we have options. These all are especially signed versions. So we will click on these ones, and we can confirm so by selecting the here the model number here the selections. After that, these all out of them especially we will directly download, and upon similar procedure that we will have to execute. Suppose here this one I had downloaded. So after downloading, especially this will come on especially here. Now see in a task in the firmware. Yeah, suppose this one. Now suppose this one has been downloaded, so just we will click on here, and this is a versions that we will kept on a desktop right now. See, it's downloading, and this one is on a here. So just to let me cap this one here. Now it's coming on a desktop, guys, so it's a little bit taking a time. So right now just let me cancel, so because it's taking time. So let me now here exactly we will come on a here, and now on a EG flash, and here we can see this is we go for it has been. So now here just take any suppose this one I had elected, and we will go with the similar strategy on this also send versions. Here is a directly imports option both, so that we can import directly by clicking on a similar version. Suppose this one here I kept so this is a 14 stage of the signed version, and this is an unsigned version, so directly we can import and here also. So this is all about, guys. Right now it's taking a time. See here it's a downloading, but it's taking a little bit time, so because internet speed is quite slow, so we cannot show you with especially this live, but similar strategy we will have to apply. And the further any inquiry, of course, yes, you can especially keep the drop the query in the comments box. Applies what you manage to reply your query. So thank you for watching Technology Welfare. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye.